Friday.
Yeah. Finally.
You know, I did some calculation today and budgeting about, I don't know, vacations and stuff. We don't have money we can't go on vacation this.
What?
Yeah.
I've been working for a full year and this is, what happened to the money? This is not okay. You better fix this. You fix this. Yeah, you fix this.
There must be some way. Maybe. I think I may be right. Maybe I have some kind of, I don't know, solution.
Okay.
Like a teleportation thing.
What? Where did you find that?
Kind of dark net-ish thing. And like an AI, and I programmed, like, I use an AI interface, and I don't know. We don't need to go into specifics, but I think it might work, actually.
Okay.
So let's kind of test it.
Okay.
Okay, let's try with the stuffed animal at first.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yes. Get ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh! It worked! It was just a parameter. I changed it. I think it's gonna work now. Let's try it again. It's alive!
Yay!
It's alive! Yes.
Wow.
Amazing!
Yeah.
I've been thinking, I mean, should we try it on someone else before we try it on us?
Yeah, probably.
Well, what about your parents?
Why? It's you spent our vacation money.
Okay. Can we do like a paper scissor thing about whose parents we're gonna do it on?
Okay, fine.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, fuck. Okay, I'll contact my dad and kind of invites him to coffee.
Yeah, sure.
But what if it's like a little bit dangerous?
I mean, I need a vacation. And
Okay,
so
so
do you.
let's gamble on this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need to.
Yeah.
We must.
Yeah, we must. I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Someone is using our AI engine as a teleportation device. This is interesting.
So, some coffee?
Yes, please, thank you.
I want to show you something, by the way. I've learned how to do tricks, kind of like magic.
Are you some magician?
Well, kind of like a magician. So it's if we just go into the living room, I'll show you.
Well, let's try.
Yeah, let's try it. It's gonna be fun, I promise.
Okay then. That's all right.
Yeah, that's alright. Then you just like stand here.
Just a second.
Yeah, like that. So, are you ready to try?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Okay, cool. Let's rock. Okay, hang on. Yes. 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 Yeah. I think he's okay. I don't know. Yeah, he seemed okay. But what's more important, it worked. Vacation incoming. Yes. Okay, so this is the iPhone app version that I created of the teleportation.
Yep.
So let's just try that once before we go on vacation. And so send me somewhere fun.
Okay.
And then bring me back after, I don't know, a minute or so.
Good.
Okay.
Will do.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Yes.
This is so neat.
What the fuck did she say? It's like an explosion. Get me out of here! Once again, get out of here! That was fucking dangerous. I could have died or something.
Yeah, these people are playing with our AI engine every day without giving us any credits for that. Let's make them regret it.
So, vacation.
Vacation.
Come. So, are you ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so.
Whoa! Someone is like hacking.
No, what's
Someone is
happening?
hacking us.